According to my analysis in my book, The Clinton Economic Boom, 5 factors combined to create an economic perfect storm during the 90s. And those are Y2K, the web revolution, telecom reform, cheap money, and rookie investors. What I mean by an economic perfect storm is that we have factors, any one of which would be a powerful economic stimulus, coming together all at the same point in time to create this incredible economic cycle where as one wanes, another one waxes and just kind of keeps the cycle on those. In the last 2.5 decades, we've had 2 economic booms, one in the 80s and one in the 90s. And a common factor to both of those was a paradigm-shifting technology. In the 80s, we had the PC, and that changed the way that people not only work, but how they live. In the 90s, we have the web, which in a much bigger way changed not only how people work, but also how they live. And that's what a paradigm-shifting technology is.